Welcome. Today we're diving into how to change the active downloads notification settings on Google Chrome. If those download alerts are getting a bit overwhelming, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to customize them to your preference. First, open your Chrome browser. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar and give it a click. This will launch your browser in no time. Next, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is known as the More menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security on the left sidebar. Click on it, and then look for Site Settings. Here, you'll find various options related to how websites interact with your browser. Now, look for Notifications within the Site Settings. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage your notification preferences. Here's where it gets specific. Find the section labeled Active Downloads. This is where you can adjust how Chrome notifies you about your downloads. You'll have options to allow or block notifications entirely or customize how they appear. Make your changes according to your preferences, whether you want to mute notifications completely or just tweak how they alert you. This section gives you the control you need. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, simply close the Settings tab. Your changes will be saved automatically, so there's no need for an extra step. And that's it. You've successfully changed your active downloads notification settings in Google Chrome. Enjoy a more tailored browsing experience without those distracting download alerts. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.